Okay, Indonesian rendang beef. Okay, a lot of ingredients and herbs that I put in this soup to make the beef smell so good, and then the beef later on will be juicy and absorb all the ingredients, will be tasty as well. Okay, and here's another smash ingredient that I have done, that I have smashed. Okay, the only thing that I'm gonna put this, okay, the smash ingredient into this soup. Okay, time to put this smash ingredient. Oh, a lot of ingredients. I think there are 10 ingredients that I smash. Bayangkan ada 10 bumbu. Yep. Masukkan semuanya, put all of it. Dibersihin, clean it up, and then mix. There you go. Ooh la la. This is gonna be super yummy. Oh my gosh. So good, bro. The aroma, the smell is really strong of herbs. Okay, before I put these mashed ingredients, there are some ingredients that I have put as well, like leaves and then lemongrass, and then others I do not know the name, but it's really good for this chicken, not the chicken, this beef rendang. Okay, there you go. Then let's put, I forgot to put what is it called? But I'm gonna put turmeric. Here we go, turmeric. Just once, just a little bit turmeric powder. This is enough. And then put here, there you go. This is enough to make it, the color becomes so colorful and bright. Here we go. Look at that. Okay. And then you wait for 1 hour. 1 to 1.5 hours. Yep. Okay then, that's it. Here you go. This is it. Rendang beef, Indonesian cuisine. Yummy. Okay, so tasty. A lot of flavor that will make your tongue dancing. It's dancing in your mouth. Ooh la la. This is the Christmas dinner meal. Christmas Eve dinner. Yep. So good. Wait for 5 minutes.